The past perfect tense is a verb tense or action completed, finished or perfected at or before some point in the past. So it is also called a verb tense, which is completed, finished, perfected. So next one, the past perfect is also called the pluperfect, is also called the pluperfect. This test talks about the past in the past. Past in the past. The past perfect is a verb tense. Past perfect tense has its own structure just like that of other tenses. The first part, as usual, that is subject. The second part, which is very important, which is must for past perfect tense, that is had. The to have form is had here. Third one is past participle. This we have seen in present perfect tense also. Here I plus had plus done plus work is given. I had done work. So I is the subject here. Had is the to have form, and done is the past participle. So likewise, finally work, that is a noun. So next one, past perfect tense, that is from assertive to positive sentences. So here subject plus had plus past participle compulsory. For example, we had finished the task before she asked. Had asked happened, had finished happened first, asked happened next. Next one is negative sentences and their structures. One structure is given, subject plus had plus past participle, that is of a positive sentence. You had blown air before it burst out. So not is added in between had and past participle. Had is a helping verb, blown is the past participle. In between we are going to insert not. Not like this, we have to insert, we get a negative sentence. So next one is here you see interrogative sentence structure. Interrogative sentences, the structure is had plus subject plus past participle. For one example is given, had she got it before the date. So in this case helping verb had comes first, then a subject goes next. So this we have seen in a present tense also, present perfect tense also. Had, she had, they are interchangeable. We can see transformations here. Past perfect tense transformation, simple present to past perfect. So one time we are going to revise. In the first column I have taken all kinds of tenses. Second column persons, third column main verb has been taken, helping verb and main verb. So first one is a simple present tense. I is a first person singular. Break is the basic form of the verb. Second, you see present continuous tense. So here we, second first person plural is there, or breaking is the helping verb plus a main verb. Ing form is added here. Present perfect tense, here second person singular or plural, that is you, have broken perfect tense. Next one, present perfect continuous tense. They, third person plural, have been breaking is a helping verb plus main verb. Next, simple past tense. So here he has been taken, that is third person singular. Broke is a simple past tense. Whereas next one, past continuous tense. In last video we have seen she, third person singular, was breaking. Was breaking is the helping verb plus main verb. Now we are going to study past perfect tense. Here it, third person singular, is taken. Had broken is the helping verb plus main verb. Likewise we have to revise and we have to perfect ourselves in all kinds of tenses. Here simple present to past perfect transformation we have to see. I arise response. So here arise is the main verb, that is a simple present tense. So next one is a past perfect. You see, I had arisen response. Here add plus arisen, that is a indicative of a past perfect tense. Arise become had arisen, past perfect tense. So likewise we transform. It is very important to transform these tenses from one kind to the other kind. Here positive to negative transformation. So I had awakened them. Had awakened is positive form of past perfect tense, that is a positive form. Its negative form we can see. I had awakened them, again I have taken positive form only, but we can see how that will change. See that in between had and awaken we have to insert not. We have to insert a not. Like this we have to make a negative sentences. So very easy this English grammar. We have to simply concentrate and revise. Next one is a past perfect tense law, positive to interrogative transformation. This also we have seen in so many previous tenses. Positive I have taken, we had left the place. So next one is a interrogative sentence, that is had we left the place. What is the difference here is inter-exchange. We goes to first place from to second place, whereas had comes from second place to first place. Like this inter-exchange will happen to convert into interrogative sentences. Now we are going to see what are the different uses of past perfect tense and what are the application side. Completed action before something. Completed action before something. I had gone to bed before he came. So had gone happened later. Had gone happened first. Afterwards came comes. So first happened thing past perfect, second happened thing came. So she felt happy. Had visited first happened, felt happened second time. So this difference we have to understand. Whatever happens first, that will be past perfect. Second thing a simple past. Here duration before something also we can use. By the time Meena finished her graduation, she had been in Bengaluru for over 5 years. Finished happened later, had been happened earlier for 5 years. So that for 5 years also we have used along with the past perfect tense. So next one here you can see past perfect tense can be used for specific times with the past perfect with the before and after. Very important for exams purpose. Had visited first happened action. Before here we use next left second happened action. In between first and second happened before we use. She left her job in June after we had visited her office in March. Had visited happened first, then left happened later. So in between later happened and first happened we get after. Simple past and past perfect, in between we use after. This is very important sentence. So next one you can see in a conditional clause we use past perfect tense. He would have passed the exam if he had prepared better. Had prepared we are using would have passed, that may have to have happened later. So in this kind of conditional clauses also we use. Next one is a past perfect tense is used in a reported speech also. Direct indirect speech, no. See here the mother asked if she had done homework. Asked later about had done homework, that might have happened earlier. So for second happened, first happened are in sequence here. So next one is a past perfect tense can be used for some other purposes, like to show dissatisfaction. To show dissatisfaction, I wished I had worked hard for the exams. So wishing is there, had worked we have used to show dissatisfaction. Hard work not done, that's why failed. That's why this kind of dissatisfaction has been shown. So in the next kind of example we can use with just also past perfect tense. The train had just left the station where we reached the station. had just left, that is past perfect tense, reached. You can see this is a simple past tense. So now we can revise.